All right, this will get you a much, much, much better view of how much snow we got. I haven't even been downstairs yet, but you see it's still coming down a lot. Oh, here we go. Can you see all the little snow flurries? Yeah. A poor tree. Well, I've already lost a couple trees. It looks like I might lose this one too. Unfortunately, it was up to my window. And I could see birds and stuff like straight out, like it would be right there. This gives you a more visual of what happened. And it collapsed under the weight of the snow down. That is not cool. And it looks like the same thing happened to that little one over there. A number of the trees over here, they look like giant icicles, if you can see that. And that's not cool. If you are out there, be careful. There's going to be a lot of trees down. And a lot of trees falling down. Especially on my road. I found gloves. Kind of. I found mittens. And that's it. There's only hats in here. And some really old mittens. Like really old mittens. I've got these. But they don't look waterproof. Little ones, which nobody can wear.
Really expensive for that.
Oh, look, a ducky hat.
Nah. Wear some boots.
I think that's a ducky hat.
Huh?
Huh?
Wear some boots.
Yeah, wear some boots.
Yeah, exactly.
I gave you mine.
Those don't fit.
They don't fit.
Yeah.
Well, look in the garage. Look in the garage. There's some boots. I don't know. They're round. You can't fit in my sandals. There's not the other pair to that. Because, of course, you can't have matching gloves. Alright. And I've got this one, which I want to wear, which I can't find another pair to. So, screw it. It's like I'm wearing mittens. Mittens. I'm going to pop them. Alright. Let's see. Your boots. These are like no stuff at the bottom, I think, or no. Okay. Let's see here. Okay.
It doesn't feel right.
Is it good enough
No.
for the snow? What?
Yes, it's good enough for the snow.
Okay. Ready for the next one?
But the front doesn't feel right. At all.
But is it hurting?
It might in the future.
Well, then take them off in the future. It's the only boot that you could actually get on your foot.
I wear them for a while.
Okay, well, there's no other options. I don't have a bigger pair of boots.
Where would you buy boots from?
How am I going to buy boots now when it's snowing and we can't even get out of the driveway?
Later.
Yeah, later when we get snowboarding. I don't even have another snowboarding boot. Unless you can get that snowboarding boot on.
No, that one's even worse.
Yeah, I figured that because that was designed to be really snug. There you go. This one only stretches a little because it's leather.
Well, this one
Good?
feels even worse.
What?
Wow.
The
Yeah.
leather on the bottom?
Yes.
What do you mean? The sole?
Yes, the sole.
It should be fine though. Like, as long as you can move your feet.
Oh, it's like 3,
Huh?
1 point.